In this video, I'm going to reveal the biggest hurdle that you need to overcome when training at home and not going to the gym. This is by far the reason why many people that achieve great results in the gym, as soon as we go into these lockdowns around the world, they're immediately stifled and they start losing results and going backwards.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
The big hurdle that people need to overcome when training at home is the routine and training with their friends. When you go to a gym, usually you're in a routine. Most people go to the gym in the mornings or after work or at lunchtime. They have a routine that they stick to. And often you have friends that you train with. At Unity Gym here, people train in small groups. So everybody knows everybody, you've got your training buddies. Now, if you're put into a snap lockdown and all of a sudden you have to train at home, that all goes out the window. All of a sudden, you don't have to get up and go to work at the same time. People are working from home. Sometimes people aren't working at all. And so what we want to impress on you is the value of getting into a new routine and sticking to it. And the way we did that with our at-home workouts is that when Unity Gym was in lockdown, when we couldn't open to our members, we started broadcasting the at-home workouts every day at 7:30 a.m. Sydney, Australia time. That's the time that our tribe voted was the best time for them. And that's when people would tune in every day, do the workouts live with me. Hi everyone, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unify Movement System, where we turn driven people into strong, flexible and fit people with 1 hour workouts. If you want to know how we do it, you can grab one of our free blueprints. The at-home workout blueprint is very relevant to this video series because this is where we're breaking down all of the 10 lessons in that, but you can also get the flexibility blueprint, the strength blueprint, and the nutrition blueprint. If you want to go a little bit further and grab one of our amazing programs for strength, flexibility, or fitness, or calisthenics and weightlifting, you can click the link in the bottom and check out our catalog of programs. And if you're ready to go deep and start online coaching with me and my crew, you can get a 1-month free trial of our UMS online coaching program. There's a link in the description of this video. But even if you're not able, if you're watching these videos later and we're not doing the workouts live right now, the program that we've created is phenomenal because we still have those same follow-along workouts for you to watch. And all you need to do, it's very important that you still create a time and a space to do your workout. So you create a little space on the floor where you've got a yoga mat or a towel or whatever, just a space for yourself to do it. And you have a time of day where no matter what, you get up and you do your workout. If you can do that, if you can create that time and create that space and create that routine, I guarantee you, you are going to get great results. And I'll go a step further. I'll say if you don't do that, I'd almost bet money on it that you're not going to get good results and that you're even going to go backwards if you can't get to the gym. It's so important. We're creatures of habit, and it is very important that you create a really healthy habit around exercise that you're going to do at home when you can't get to the gym. Now, if you want to know the secret sauce to our at-home workouts, make sure you grab the at-home workout blueprint. It's a free download. There's a link in the description of this video. And if you're ready to go for it, there'll be an offer within for you to get the incredible at-home workouts program at a discounted rate. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.